So friends, as you have seen the thumbnail, in today's video we will try to understand in full detail how to earn money from education. So let's start the video without wasting your time. But before that, if you haven't liked the video till now, then please like the video, and if you are new then subscribe to the channel. Online surveys and focus groups are great for regular folks who want to share their opinions and influence companies' decision-making processes. But what about folks who have bona fide subject matter expertise or at least above average skills in a sought-after discipline? You don't have to snag an adjunct professorship at your local university to share your knowledge with students and earn some cash in the process, thanks to the magic of the internet. You can cut out the middleman and teach classes directly to lifelong learners without leaving the house. Here's what you should keep in mind to begin and maintain a successful at-home teaching enterprise. Credibility. Selling your expertise works best when you have some credibility. In many verticals, formal credentials are a near necessity. Students signing up for a class on online tax preparation want to learn from a CPA. Entrepreneurs looking for the inside track on small business law want to hear from a lawyer or serial entrepreneur. Venue. When you're first starting out, choose reputable, high-visibility venues for your classes. Don't expect students to find their way to your personal or professional website before you've built a reputation for yourself. Udemy is a great option for budding at-home teachers looking to earn real money from their work. YouTube is another viable option. Although you can't directly charge people to watch your YouTube videos, you'll need to monetize them indirectly. Topic and structure. It's not enough to select a popular vertical. You need a compelling topic and a tight structure for each class. After all, everyone wants to learn how to code, but you can't teach every popular program language in an hour. Build your curriculum around interesting, high-demand topics within your niche. Use real-life examples, hands-on exercises, and attractive graphics. Whiteboards work well whenever possible. Pricing and deals. As with any professional pursuit, you need to know how much your teaching skills are worth and price them accordingly. Unfortunately, at-home teaching is a competitive business, so you're likely to find someone who charges less for similar work. Ways to get around this include multi-course discounts, package deals, and complimentary products or information for early sign-ups. Promotion. You don't need to buy digital ads to promote your classes, but it's definitely worth your while to drum up support by email and social media. Lean on your existing personal networks and consider setting up an email newsletter to keep your contacts updated as you gain students. Reputable platforms like Udemy will boost your visibility, doing some of the hard promotional work for you. However, you must opt into its extensive course marketing network. So friends, today I told you how you can earn money sitting at home by using your old knowledge. And I also hope that you would have liked this video very much. If you like watching such videos, then like the video and do subscribe to the channel. Also, let's meet you again in the next video.